Silver Shadow's approach to Dunedin, New Zealand was stunning, and there was a big surprise waiting for us when we arrived at the pier. Welcome aboard the Taieri Gorge Railway. The half-day journey would take us past some of New Zealand's most stunning scenery. We passed through many tunnels along the way and across viaducts spanning beautiful gorges. That's the shadow of the train down below, by the way.
And a good number of sheep out here, obviously being mustered down to near the river flats here.
It just wouldn't be right to make a film about New Zealand without featuring sheep, and we had opportunities to photograph and film lots and lots of sheep. For the next part of the journey, I got to hop up front with the engineer. That was quite a ride.
1905, receiving Kevin.
Not such a bad job.
It's a great job. Always like coming up here. There's lots to see. It's usually different. Every day something different.
From Pukerangi, we retraced our route back to Dunedin. Some got off there to see the town, and others went back to the ship on the railway. This is Ralph Grizzle reporting from Dunedin, New Zealand on Silver Shadow.